Since you did do that, man, you know I had to fill it too.
So good. So good. Look at those chips. This is everything I put in the tacos, guys. Look. The chile, cilantro, onion. Lemon, the onion, these tortillas I use. That's the avocado dip. And those are the chips. This is everything that I put in our tacos. So you can see that. All this goes inside of our tacos. Oh yeah, guys, if you're curious what this kind of meat is, this is Pastoral meat. They said at the meat markets. I already bought it. It was already seasoning and everything. I just buy it, put it in the pot. You don't have to put oil neither because it already has its own little oils. But